Mabel. We over here at the farm. We celebrating Labor Day over here with all the grandbabies. And Kevin and I, we were out here riding on Daddy's Rover. Here's a picture of Granny Jones's old house now. We're here at the road. And we're going to take you out the drive and let you sort of see what it looks like now. If you hear a lot of racket, we on Daddy's Rover riding it. Here's a sign Donnie's made. It says Faries Farms on it. Of course, Linda's got her beauty shop. She's got her sign here on the side of the road. We headed out the drive. To the left-hand side of the road, that's where Buddy and Linda has their house back in the woods. And the for sale signs here is Gina's. This was Gray's land. So you'll see the sale signs where Gina's got hers up for sale. You'll remember the old house where Carl lived in and he fixed up? That's it to the right. Billy, Rodney, and Sue, they sort of keep all that going. That's where they stay over here a lot at. Okay, the sign here that says Carl's Crib, Donnie, he made that for Sue and Rodney to go out to Carl's place. family cemetery. And where you see the flowers at, the marigolds, a little small tombstone, that's where Ed is buried. That's his monument and that's his gravesite. Where Daddy's land starts at. You can see he keeps his mowed. You can see he keeps his pretty. We're going to be leading going on into the house so you can see things. Okay, you see the sign here says the Blue Hole. This is where the Blue Hole is up here at Francisco now. This is something that Donnie fixed up. This is in front of the house where the pig lot used to be, and all across where the front porch is. This is the field in front of the house. Okay, this is in front of the house. This is the front porch. You can see Daddy's got him a windmill out here now. Got his rocking chairs on the front porch. We got him some deer out here for his birthday last year. So you sort of see what it looks like over here. It's nice over here today. It's Labor Day. It's sort of cloudy, but it's nice. We all over here. We sort of circling around the house. We're going to the left-hand side of the house. We'll be going down, but like where the spring is, that's where your land is. And we got a Johnny house. You'll see in the distance. We'll show you a closer shot of that. That's what we got Daddy for his birthday, and we set it where the old Johnny house used to sit, where you used to run to all the time. Okay, down here is the left-hand side of the house. Down in them woods is where the old spring used to be. That's where your land is. That's where Daddy keeps mowed, and they deer hunt back there. Hope you enjoying the tour. It's sort of going back home for you. Okay, you'll see them sitting up on the porch, all the grandbabies, Daddy, they all sitting around the back porch. this is your land here too. This is where they've got the deer plot, where Dale deer hunts. Daddy's got a stand down in the woods he comes to. The grandbabies, they're gonna be deer hunting over here, so this is sort of their little part of the world. This is his Johnny house where you used to run to in emergencies all the time. It's sitting at the direct place where the old one sit. We're going to go back out here in the field behind the house and let you see out here now. It's all mowed down. Daddy keeps it mowed. It looks pretty back here. Oh, we'll get Daddy John.
It's a bad place to go to, but you got to go somewhere. Lord have mercy.
Okay, Mabel, Daddy had to do that for you. I want you to let me know if that's not Ralph Faries.